welcome mga pilgrims of hope. Yan, kita sa ating National Youth Day. So naamit din karon sa Our Lady of Peñafrancia Shrine para sa opening procession and translation of Our Lady of Peñafrancia. Kauban sa mga Salesian Youth Movement, our young people from the Salesian Youth Movement, and the different young people and delegates of the National Youth Day. So mag-abot-abot kay karong adlaw ang tanan ng mga delegates of the National Youth Day. So we thank our Blessed Mother for bringing us together, gathering us together in this day na bisag kaulan. Yan, sila. So bisag kaulan na past days, at least karon wala na. Thank you very much for Mary, Our Lady of Peñafrancia. Very good. No? So ito yung ating mga young people from the Association Youth Movement. Saan yung ating Don Bosco? Ayun na si Don Bosco. Parang hindi siya mabasa. Ano, okay.
Raincoat.
Oh yeah, man. Naka-raincoat na, diba, Tonyel?
Naka-raincoat.
Ready na si Don Bosco in case umulan ngayon.
Ayan, let's go.